Subscribe to my channel.
No.
I have my cousin here in my house.
Watch.
His name is Bobby Dog.
You should really look at killer bears. They're really cool.
Yeah.
That's my friend, Jeff.
Anyways.
Ow!
So today we're doing a video in what is inside my backpack. So to start off, I have a notebook. It's a normal notebook.
Yes, no.
Yeah, I have some.
It's boring.
Something
that his brother does is outside. It's weird.
Then I have these folders, my art folder, second steps folder, French folder,
And
science folder. I have more folders like geography and history. Right now they're in school because I had a test and yeah, they're being marked.
wow, he had a test.
I had many tests.
No, I'm just
Study science, man, study science. Okay, next thing I have
when you say science
is my project on geography.
Geography.
And here's my geography folder. And also another folder. Then I have some other notebooks. It's my French. I love you too. But were you touching my armpit? Ew, what the?
This guy has a girlfriend.
Anyways, then there's my math notebook. Language 1, 2.
He made a video of himself once on my iPad. And yeah, that's why.
Then I have a sketchbook. I even made like 3 assignments. You can see some of them. I look like a chimpanzee in here with a David Villa shirt. Always represent.
Villa.
My hands. I know they're very ugly because I'm just trying. And my recent sketch.
No, wait, I'll make a video of what's inside my bag.
Okay. And so yeah. Then I have this binder where I put my agenda and everything. I usually don't use it because, well, it's 2017. Nobody uses agendas except for, yeah, but I use Google Classroom and Seesaw. And then I have some colors and pencil crayons.
They're boring.
Yeah, they're all in my like pencil case and everything.
I don't know why you even carry
Then
this.
I have this pumper for my cast. I broke my leg.
Oh yeah, I like the pumper. It looks weird. Look at the pumper.
Look at
the pumper. Like,
this is one.
Okay, Elsa.
Then this was one of my tests. I got an A+ on that.
Wow.
She's like,
Sorry, before you choose something,
she said, did you deliberately choose the numbers closest to -2 and -3? Just curious with the happy face. So, yeah,
This
basically
is
got
sad
everything
face.
there. Oh, okay, look. I'm pretty sure you guys can read this.
I'm pretty sure you can see his name too down here.
No!
Okay, I'll expose his name in my next
Then
video.
I have some like notebooks, you know, and I have a pencil case.
All I know is
I had this little pouch where
his first name starts with 11.
I'm joking. Okay, so then I have this little pouch.
I can look like pouch.
Extra things, and I put
That looks so weird. Show me.
I put like
24 karat gold.
green keychain. I have 2 keys, you know, from schools in there. Brandon library card. Thor. I have this light.
Thor, how's it Thor? What the hell? Oh, stop. You're making them blind, bro. You're making them blind.
And then I also have these extra index cards just to take notes.
Show me the index card. I want to see this.
It has something on it. English or French.
Oh, French.
Yeah, this is the Francais part. So I have another one which has the English translations. I've done my project, that's why. See, this is my project about countries.
I like the countries.
Thank you.
Yeah, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Show this.
I will want to fly one day to India. And so, yeah, then I have some decorations.
And he has this in his bedroom. Wait. This is what he has in his bedroom.
Yeah, I do. You know why? Because when I was a baby.
No, because he has problems sleeping. I'm joking. I'm radiant. Oh, turn it off. But listen to the sound. Everybody be quiet.
What are you doing, buddy?
No, not.
This one is crazy guy.
No, this is
And then I have some decorations. You know, I have like a regular water bottle and everything.
Why do you have water bottle and everything? Oh, look at his lunch bag. Look at his lunch bag. The same size as lunch bag. His lunch bag has this inside it.
my lunch bag with this doofus right here.
I'm not doofus. I'm not doofus.
Okay, subscribe to me. Like all my
And also subscribe to me.
all my social medias will be down in the description.
No.
So if you spam me, I'll spam you back.
In conclusion, that was our video. Please subscribe to my channel and leave comments and like this video. And yeah.
So for all of those 2K24 Army people out there, I want you to go subscribe to this man's channel because he's awesome. He taught me lots of things. He knows way more science than he knows language. He'll probably fail in language, but he'll become like a really big scientist. Right? So yeah, go subscribe to his channel. Subscribe to mine too. Don't forget to leave a big like on this video, which is being uploaded from his channel. And all my social media links will be down below. Hope you have a good day. Peace.